Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're exploring the word arrest. Arrest is a B1 level verb that means to take someone into custody. It's a term often used in legal and law enforcement contexts, but it also appears in various everyday scenarios. Let's break it down a bit more. When someone is arrested, it means they are officially stopped by authorities, usually because they are suspected of breaking the law. For example, the police decided to arrest the suspect after gathering evidence. But arrest isn't limited to legal situations. It can also describe the act of stopping or capturing attention, like the painting in the gallery immediately arrested my attention. There are a few useful synonyms for arrest, including apprehend, detain, and capture. For instance, the officer managed to apprehend the thief after a short chase, or security guards had to detain a visitor who refused to follow the rules. These words share a similar meaning and can often be used interchangeably. On the flip side, antonyms for arrest include release, free, and discharge. For example, the suspect was released after the charges were dropped, or after a short questioning, the authorities decided to free the man. These words highlight the contrasting idea of allowing someone to go free. Now, let's talk about how arrest fits into daily conversations. You might hear someone say, "The officer had no choice but to arrest him," or "Her captivating speech arrested the audience's attention." Whether you're discussing law enforcement or describing something that stops or seizes attention, arrest is a versatile word. Here are a few examples of arrest in sentences to help solidify its meaning. The police officer decided to arrest the suspect at the scene. The new sculpture in the park has arrested the interest of passers-by. Doctors were able to arrest the progression of the illness with early treatment. To sum up, arrest is a useful verb that means to take someone into custody or to stop or capture attention. It has synonyms like apprehend, detain, and capture, and antonyms such as release, free, and discharge. Thanks for joining me on this linguistic journey today. If you enjoyed learning about arrest, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. Before you go, I'd love to hear how you would use arrest in a sentence. Share your example in the comments, and I might feature it in a future episode. See you next time on Hello Word.